Have you ever stood in front of a closet packed with clothes and still thought, I have absolutely nothing to wear? Why do some outfits look effortlessly stylish while others feel incomplete, even when they're made from expensive pieces? The secret isn't owning more clothes. It's knowing how to style what you already have. Today, we're breaking down the 4 game-changing principles that can instantly upgrade your outfits from basic to stunning. Once you understand these rules, getting dressed becomes easier, faster, and way more fun. Let's start with color. In fashion, colors can generally be divided into 2 groups: neutrals and everything else. Neutrals are the backbone of a stylish wardrobe because they work with almost anything. Black, white, beige, gray, navy. These shades make mixing and matching incredibly easy and help create outfits that look polished and intentional. But what if you want to wear brighter colors? That's where understanding the color wheel becomes incredibly useful. Colors that sit opposite each other on the wheel are called complementary colors. When combined, they create contrast and make an outfit stand out. Colors located next to each other are called analogous colors, and they create a softer, more harmonious look. A simple formula is to combine 2 neutrals, a neutral with a bold color, or even 3 neutrals together. However, there's one important catch. The best color combinations are the ones that complement your skin tone. The right colors can make your skin look brighter, healthier, and more radiant. The wrong colors can make you appear tired or washed out. So how do you determine your undertone? Take a look at the veins on your wrist. If they appear mostly blue or purple, you likely have a cool undertone. If they look green or olive, you probably have a warm undertone. If you see a mix of both, congratulations. You have a neutral undertone and can wear a wider range of colors. Once you know your undertone, avoid colors that are too similar to your skin tone and focus on shades that naturally enhance your complexion. This simple adjustment can completely transform how your outfits look on you. Now let's talk about proportions and silhouette. Have you ever worn an outfit that technically looked good but still felt off? Chances are the proportions weren't working. One of the most useful styling concepts is the rule of thirds. Instead of visually splitting your body in half, create divisions that are more balanced and pleasing to the eye. High-waisted pants are a perfect example. They visually raise your waistline, making your legs appear longer and your waist look smaller. To maximize this effect, pair high-waisted pants with crop tops, tucked-in shirts, or belts that emphasize the waist. Whether you tuck your shirt fully, partially, or just at the front, these small details can dramatically improve the overall silhouette. Monochromatic outfits are another powerful trick. Wearing similar shades from head to toe creates a continuous visual line that naturally makes you appear taller and more streamlined. Adding different textures keeps the outfit interesting while maintaining that elongated effect. Here's a professional styling tip. When your shoes closely match the color of your pants, tights, or skirt, they create a seamless transition that visually extends your legs. Another common mistake is wearing oversized clothing everywhere. Baggy on baggy often hides your shape, while tight on tight can feel restrictive. The most flattering combination is contrast, a loose top with fitted bottoms, or fitted tops with wider pants or skirts. The next factor is fabric quality. 2 outfits can have the exact same design, but look completely different because of the materials. Thin fabrics often appear less structured and cheaper, while thicker, softer fabrics provide shape, support, and a more polished appearance. Very stiff materials can sometimes add unnecessary bulk and make your silhouette appear heavier than it actually is. Choosing fabrics with the right balance of structure and softness will instantly elevate your look. Finally, let's talk about the finishing touch that separates a good outfit from a great one: accessories. Think of your outfit as a pizza. Everything we've covered so far is the base, but accessories are the toppings that bring everything together. Bags, belts, blazers, coats, vests, watches, jewelry, hats, shoes, and even headphones can add depth, personality, and style. The best accessories are versatile pieces that work with multiple outfits and help express your personal taste. At the end of the day, great style isn't about spending more money. It's about understanding color, mastering proportions, choosing the right fabrics, and finishing your outfits with thoughtful details. Once you learn these principles, you'll never look at your wardrobe the same way again. If you enjoyed this video and want more fashion tips that actually make a difference, Make sure to subscribe and join the channel for more style transformations.